Some suppliers draw something quote low, then ship whatever's fits the budget. We don't. When you work with us, design and construction are one team. Not wo departments playing blame games. One chain from the engineer's mouse to the welder's torch. Before a single beam is cut, your whole building is assembled bolt by bolt in our software. Collisions get caught, gaps get closed, measurements get checked. Then for complex frames, we physically assemble the main trusses on our factory floor. Full size, real bolts. If the holes don't line up here, they won't on your site. So we catch it here. Our engineers sit 50 meters from the production line. They watch your steel being built. Before dispatch, we send photos of the actual components with labels and measurements. You compare against the approved drawing. You sign off. Then we load. When that container arrives, the drawing isn't a suggestion. It's exactly what you get. That's not extra service. That's what you deserved from the beginning. If your current supplier makes you nervous, DM me. Let me show you how real design build delivery works.